Everything about crafting a character, being creative, feeling excited, being inspired is most likely by watching some crazy stuff. So, drawing characters from crazy outfits is just being inspired and adding your style. Okay, first things first, go to Pinterest. You already know. Looking for a crazy outfit and grab your pen, sketchbook, and so I found this crazy outfit on Pinterest. So let's get sketchy. Okay, I do this to get the framing of my character from the reference. Okay, now time for the sketching. So basically you have three types of sketch process: the ugly sketch, good sketch, and the detail sketch. So basically we're starting with the ugly sketch to get an idea of what our good sketch and detail sketch will look like. Alright, so making a good sketch in the process. Alright, with that being done, so time to erase the ugly sketch, then outline the good sketch. And remember, you're not trying to draw the crazy dude, you're just using it as a reference and adding your style to get your own character. Okay, after sketching the head and drawing the face, time for me to add some detail sketch. Okay, after hours and hours of working, there you have it, a character from a crazy dude wearing a crazy outfit. Yeah.